So, although your textbook makes the distinction between an inductive approach to research or a research question and a deductive approach to research, I just want to indicate that they're both part of the same continuum of research, and a lot of steps in either process actually overlap or feed into each other. So often in an inductive approach, you start with an observation or observations, you see a pattern, you create a tentative hypothesis, which leads to a theory which is grounded in the observations that you see in the first place. In a deductive approach, you start with a theory which leads to a hypothesis which essentially is intended to solidify the theory or to refute the theory. You start collecting observations after, which lead to a confirmation of the theory itself. But if you look at it, your confirmation, which is essentially confirming the theory, is based on observation. Your confirmation would lead to more observations, you'd see more patterns, and so on. So it's actually a circular process, and the circled area in red is talking about an inductive process, while the circled area in green talks about a deductive process, and there's an overlap between the two, and that's why it really is a continuum and not necessarily two distinct processes, although for academic purposes and for research purposes, researchers and scientists will always break them down into simpler packets or simpler steps so that they can conduct a meaningful research project.